Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is an impressive blend of performance and comfort, designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. With options for 500W, 800W, and 1200W motors, this scooter caters to a diverse range of riders seeking different performance levels. The 20 off-road tires provide exceptional traction and stability, ensuring a smooth ride over a variety of terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. One of the standout features of the Caroma Peak is its seating option, which adds a level of comfort that many scooters lack. The seat is well cushioned and adjustable, allowing for a personalized fit that makes longer rides more enjoyable. This feature is especially beneficial for users who may experience discomfort while standing for extended periods. The handlebars are also adjustable, accommodating riders of various heights and enhancing the overall ergonomics of the scooter. In terms of range, the Caroma Peak offers impressive options: 15, 25, or 30 miles depending on the motor variant chosen. This makes it suitable for daily commutes or leisurely rides without the anxiety of running out of battery. The scooter incorporates a high-capacity lithium battery, which not only supports longer rides but also ensures efficient charging times. Safety features are commendable, with bright LED lights for visibility and a robust braking system that provides reliable stopping power. The scooter's build quality feels sturdy and durable, which is crucial for both city riding and off-road conditions. However, the weight of the scooter can be a drawback for some users, especially when it comes to portability. While it's designed for durability, it is not the lightest option on the market, so carrying it upstairs or storing it in tight spaces may be a challenge. Overall, the Caroma Peak 500/800/1200W electric scooter impresses with its powerful performance, comfortable seating, and excellent off-road capabilities, making it a great choice for those looking for versatility in their electric scooter experience.